How you do one thing is how you do everything.
Yeah.
What are some of the pet peeves that you see other plumbers do that just really drive you up the wall?
Lazy work, not strapping piping. Put a new water heater in and you show up and the female adapters are just covered in pipe dope.
Yeah.
Wipe all your joints.
Wipe all your joints.
Show that you care.
Yep.
And then trucks. Trucks are a big one for me. Seeing 8,000 things on the dashboard.
I hate it.
When I worked with a guy who, I mean, you had to climb to get to anything in his truck. So cleanliness.
How you do one thing is how you do everything.
Yeah.